Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got a surprise for you. I put a post on YouTube. I don't really know how that works. I've never really put a post, but we have the Milk Racing wheels came in, the Supermoto wheels, the 16s with the street tires. So this is going to be an unboxing for them, and we'll look at them and I'll show you what I ordered, and you know, because you customize them. So I haven't, you know, I custom ordered them to how I want them, the colors and everything. And we'll get down to that. But first I wanted to say something. I saw a comment on there a while ago in one of the videos, forgot which one it was, where I think I was talking about the Milk Racing wheels, and someone made a comment about Russians and all this stuff because of, I guess, I don't know, the war that's going on in Ukraine or whatever. You know, guys, I don't care about that stuff. I have a lot of friends that are Russian. I have a lot of friends that are from the Ukraine. Don't do that, okay? Don't go on my videos and put some racial comments. I'm just gonna block you. I don't have a lot of subs. I don't care, so I don't need people like you on there. So try to keep the comments friendly. I mean, you guys talk crap, whatever, I don't care, but don't be talking about stuff like that. I'm not gonna tolerate that stuff. So just try to keep it friendly and not talk about those things. Try not to talk about politics, as I don't talk about politics. I don't care about that stuff either. So anyways, just wanted to clear the air on that. So let's do the unboxing. So these took about a month for me to get, and yeah, they took about a month, maybe a little bit more, and I can't wait to see them. The box came in really good, and I mean, it's not all messed up. So let me change the camera angle and everything, and I'll set it up to where you can see me unbox it. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So let me get something to cut this open with. This came in, I know at first I thought they were garbage bags, but they're not. It's almost like it's like a shrink wrap kind of thing. It's got the Milk Racing packaging tape on it, which is pretty cool. So let's open these up. Trying to be really careful. There is a box here, but okay. So here's the box. Box came a little, I mean, this came all the way from Russia, so I forgot what part of Russia it came from. I'd have to look at my packaging slip. Here's the box. Okay. It's almost like you wouldn't think there were two wheels in here, but of course there would, because tires aren't that wide. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, looks like they came. So this is what you guys can expect when you order wheels from Milk Racing. Packaging was really nice. I mean, it's pretty protected. Alright, so some styrofoam in here, styrofoam blocks. Box here, don't know what that is yet. Wow, this sprocket looks way smaller. I think it's a 42 sprocket. Okay, so here, this looks like this is the front wheel. So the front wheel is 90/80/16. I didn't want to go too wide on the front because I heard some people were having issues with them rubbing on the forks. So I don't want to have those issues. So, man, these look awesome. So look, you can see right here I went with blue hubs and gold nipples. Let me see if I could focus on those. See where. Let me see if I can get the. Oh, probably can't. Too small. But anyways, these look pretty cool. So I got black wheels, black spokes, gold nipples, blue hubs. These look pretty sick. And these are. So these tires are. This front tire's a LE Thunder, LE Tire Thunder, whatever that is. I know they were running low on the Michelins. So yeah, so here's the Milk Racing logo. Let me see if you guys could see it. It's pretty sick. So there's the Milk Racing logo. Then it's got my name on here. Franco, right there. So this is pretty cool. Both sides. And they're balanced and pre-mounted. And they're aired up. I'll have to check the air pressure. So here's the back wheel. Back wheel's got the sprocket pre-mounted on there. Pretty thick sprocket. And this tire size is, this is a 110/70/16. And this tire is a Duro, whatever that is. Yeah, this got a, yeah. So this is a, man, this sprocket is small. But anyways, that's what it came with. 40-tooth sprocket. This will be interesting. But then again, the wheel's smaller, so that's probably why. There were a lot of choices on the sprocket, but I stayed with I believe I asked their advice, and they told me this is pretty close to stock or something, but I don't remember actually, so I'm not gonna hold them to that. But anyways, here's a closer look. There's the Milk Racing logo. Here's the other side. Hub. Here's the tire tread. Yeah, these are awesome. And let's see what's in the box. I have no idea what's in here. So here's the box that was inside. Got the Milk Racing tape on there. Let me open this up and see what this is. These might be some kind of spacers or something. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right. This is the chain. So there's a Milk Racing card here. Thank you for your order kind of stuff. It looks like some kind of adapter or spacer. Actually, I don't know what this is. I gotta open it up. I can't even see through this bag, but it looks like, I don't know, something. Anyway, I'll figure it out. So this is probably the chain right here. Yeah, I don't know what this is though. Let me see what this is. Let me get this razor blade out of the way because I don't want to cut anything by accident. So let's see what this is. Geez, they really wrapped the hell out of this. So this is hardware. So it looks like there's extra spokes in here with gold nipples, Allen wrenches. Yep, looks like they include a toolkit, lube. Yeah. Oh, spoke wrench. Nice. There's a screw here. Might be an extra screw for, oh, this is an extra screw for the sprocket actually. Yeah, they included that too. So nice. They included all that with the I like how they wrapped it to where they separated the spokes so it doesn't get, you know, scratched with the tools. That's pretty cool. That just shows like extra, you know, extra care. This is definitely the chain. I can feel it because this is really heavy. So there's another look at the wheels, guys. These are really nice. These are bad to the bone. I wanted to say something else, but I don't think I could cuss on this video because. Okay, so I put them against the white door here. So these are really nice wheels. Some of you guys might not like these. They are kind of small. You try to get a close up. See if I get a close up. I picked the black sprocket. So the next video will be me installing them. I'll do an install video, and after that I'll do a ride review. So I can't wait to get those on. I do like these wheels. These tires. These are pretty cool. This bike is pretty much all bone stock right now. Everything's stock on this bike. But when you're on the road with this bike, going in the turns is a little sketchy. Feels like it handles pretty good, but at the same time, it's, you know, these are dirt tires, so I wouldn't be flying around the corners with this thing. Those wheels and tires, that will be a different story, because this is like supermoto wheels, so that'll be nice, and those are less prone to flats too, because I think those are pretty much like moped tires or, you know, motorcycle tires pretty much almost. So next video will be the install video. If you guys want to get some Milk Racing wheels, go on the bottom of my description after the video, and there is a coupon code for you guys that want to get some Milk Racing products, whether it's wheels, bars. I think they have foot pegs, but those might be for Surron. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. But they do have some Talaria stuff and Surron stuff. They have a lot of Surron stuff. So go down there, use the coupon code. I think the coupon code is The Honest Consumer. I'll put it at the bottom. I'll put the link to their website, and I'll put the coupon code in there. I'll list everything. And just go on their website and see what you like and use the coupon code. I think it'll save you, I forgot how much it is. I think it's 10% or 5%. I don't know, something. But it'll help. It'll help with the shipping, or with I don't think they charge you tax. I think they just charge you shipping. But yeah, use the coupon code and you know, shop in there, get whatever you want. So I'll see you guys in the next video. It'll be an install video and then a review video. And then I have another video coming up, it'll be another surprise. Alright, see you guys on the next one.